How's it going, everybody? Walker Discount here with Gear Wrench 80564. It is a 7-piece SAE 6-point Flex Socket Set with a 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and a 3/4. Comes with a nice tray. You can also add additional sockets into here. You have to purchase the black little pieces right here to fasten them onto the tray. So they just pop right on. Easy storage. These nice 6-point sockets virtually eliminate stripping of any fastener. Gear Wrench also offers a lifetime warranty on these. So if you have any problem, any chipping, the joints break, we will help you with your warranty. We have these on our website going for $34.09. Go on over and check it out, walkerdiscount.com.